Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on November 27, 2022, one-star Sudoku. Column H, column I, we have pair numbers 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Fifth row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 can come here. Then 4 is here. 10th row, second row, we have 8. So it can't come these cells, then 8 can come here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Fifth row, we have 7, 5, 9. That 3 numbers can't come the 2 cells. It will come in other 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. Column D, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 7th row, we have 6, 4, 2. The 3 numbers can't come in the 3 cells. It will come in another 3 cells. Column C, column D, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 and 6 will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 4th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 8, 9. Column C, column D, we have 8. So it can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column C, we have 7 and 8. So 7 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column C, we have 8. So it can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column H, we have 8. So it can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. The 9th row, only one number is remaining. 1. 1 is confirmed here. Column B, 3 numbers are remaining. 3, 6, 4. Second row and 8th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 8th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column B, column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 7th grade, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Second row, third row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column G and third grade, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column F, column G, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. 8th row also we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column I, we have 1. 7 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column E, column F, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Second row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. The 9 is confirmed here. Third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 5. Column E, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Second grade, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. 6th grade, we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 6th grade, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 6th grade, only one number is remaining, 9, 9 is confirmed here. Then column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. 8th row, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 9th grade, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. Column F, we got 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. Column E, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column E, column D, we have 8, so 8 can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. Column G, we have 1, so it can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 2nd grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. Column E, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 2nd row, we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 7th grade, only one number is remaining, 4, 4 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 1st grade, only one number is remaining, 5, 5 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.